This is St. Mary's Catholic Church, Orsumoghu. We've gotten to there right now. This is the church. Let me give you the name, the full name. For those of you that know this church, here is the gate. St. Mary's of the Immaculate Conception Parish, Orsumoghu. Now here is the main church building. Just what these people did to this church. No matter where you fall on religion, you can't overestimate the importance of your local church, especially in the village. This is a part of the people's culture. Just watch all the way as far as the eyes can see. Watch how they ruined St. Mary's. Who would have thought in our own time that this church would be abandoned this way? This is what war can bring you. This is why our people should start cautioning our children, for when they were little, they will be discussing about war as if it's something to celebrate, as if it's something interesting. This is what it looks like. This is not real war. This is just limited criminal activities, and everyone has deserted their community. Such a busy place. Finished. Na support yeni na mere na osu. Kunu ha support ya mere na Orsumoghu. Ma ihe niile amere n'ọsụ ite ụkwa asị ma ọ ga-eru ezinụlọ unu ụmụ unu ga-anwụ n'ike unu niile ga-anwụ n'ike unu gawa agawa unu aga alọta mana eke mana ore mana afọ mana nkwọ ọ gaghị adịrị unu na mma unu kọ ihe nara ọ gaghị epu unu ṅụọ mmiri ọ ga-enye unu nsogbu ụmụ unu niile ga-ala n'ihi ifuru ọbara niile akwafuru n'obodo ọ dịghị adị n'isi unu niile. The bishops, none of you said anything. Even till now, most of you are still supporting the criminal responsible for this. Before Nnamdi Kanu's IPOB ESN, this was not like this. And those of you from Asia, don't worry, we'll soon get there. This is what used to be the Afor-Ozara market in Orsumoghu. Just watch. Completely overgrown by wheat. Just like it was at Iseke, Lilu, every other place else. This is Orsumoghu Afor-Ozara in Orsumoghu. And Asia and Orsumoghu people are keeping quiet. You keep pretending nothing is going on in your communities. Watch. This is their market, Afor-Ozara. On for market day, here is supposed to be bustling with business activities, but here it is. This is the entrance. So the other place, like the square itself, I don't know how it. See, all these things you are seeing are not trees. These are not trees. These are weeds that have grown to tree levels, and some palm trees. Maybe that palm tree shouldn't be here in the first place had people been trading in the market. And in the distance you will see the remaining part of the market. Evil, IPOB ESN, the scourge of our neighbor. This is Afor-Ozara, Orsumoghu. See, the market still extends to inside there. Watch. Completely overtaken by weeds. Vampire, now would they where you did they do your TikTok video, eh? Now your video site for Orsumoghu, we did Vampire. We did where they do your on a the park on a nonsense. So Vampire, that place where they do your TikTok video. You don't hear them, see them. For inside Orsumoghu by St. Paul's. Vampire, where you did now? Vampire again now today. I don't know, baby. Waiting they pursue you, Vampire, we there your place, so you don't they catch fire like this, water everywhere. You don't they catch fire. On a junction, don't they catch fire. Useless people, when I go here way, when I go here, you go catch fire, you don't catch fire. Vampire, how market? On a camp, don't catch fire. Pieces are there, show them. See, they even get rich. They even get rich. Mumu people. Mosque. Everywhere. Vampire na your camp is in the city on a port. Where on a park, you don't finish. We don't smoke like this. See that Mother Valley, we go take her. Nothing will happen, we go take her. That Mother Valley is going down. Everybody. Now so, they shout. Okay, now their wire be that. See, vampire, don't go.
Come and fight. I'm going up with the Ogun Afor-Ozara. Why not you go back and who the position? You don't understand. I want me to answer. What? On a day in a haste to meet on a God that the mama no. Ya mama toto. Nobody send the Ashawu mama. Ya mama toto. Nobody send the Ashawu mama. Ya mama toto. Ya mama toto.
See what Labrono are using to fill their IEDs with. Watch. Imagine this exploding and hitting an old woman in the village. Some of you are there. Those of you in Asia where they are manufacturing this thing, you don't know if it's your relative. It will hurt. You think it's the army, right? No problem. This is what your IPOB ESN brought to you in this town. See what we brought out from that IED. Nonsense. And you think it's the army. Army will finish the operation and go. But you people will have to live with this forever. Until manana gun na kohedi. Le ye mmadu jejeje we filicha. Ndị agadi nwanyị onye jeje ko ugbo pụta asị na onwe explosion maka ya ga-esi ka otu mmadụ. Thunder ga-agbagbutu niile ebe a.